Imagine flying through the air on a motorcycle with no spinning blades. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly what Tomasz Patan wants to make real. The same inventor who created the Jetson ONE electric flying vehicle is now pushing the Volonaut Airbike. This is a jet-powered flying motorcycle that looks like something straight out of Star Wars. But before you get too excited, let's talk about what this machine actually is and what it can really do. The Volonaut Airbike is different from other flying vehicles. Instead of using propellers like drones, it uses jet turbines. You sit on it like a regular motorcycle, but instead of wheels touching the ground, jets keep you in the air. The company claims it can reach speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. That's about 124 miles per hour. The frame weighs just 30 kilograms without fuel. They built it using carbon fiber and 3D printed parts to keep it super light. The price tag? A jaw-dropping $880,000. Reservations opened in August 2025, and it's designed for one person in an open cockpit. Here's where things get tricky. The biggest problem is flight time. This bike can only fly for 10 minutes maximum. Think about that. You take off, fly for maybe 4 minutes, and then you need to land immediately. This isn't transportation, it's a very expensive toy that only works in your backyard. Why so short? Jet turbines use fuel very fast. To keep the bike light enough to avoid needing a pilot license, they can't add much fuel. More fuel means more weight, which means more rules and regulations. There's also the noise and heat problem. Jet engines are incredibly loud. They also produce extreme heat. Imagine sitting on a motorcycle with burning hot exhaust right below you. Plus, safety is a concern. Electric flying vehicles have multiple motors. If one fails, the others keep you safe. But if the jet turbine on this bike fails while you're in the air, you're going to fall like a rock. So what's the final word? The Volonaut Airbike is an impressive engineering project. It proves that Tomasz Patan can build a working jet-powered platform. But let's be honest, this isn't practical transportation. It's a proof of concept designed to go viral and attract wealthy thrill seekers who want 5 minutes of adrenaline. For nearly $1 million, you get a machine that can barely fly across a football field before needing to land. It's cool, it's futuristic, and it's definitely eye-catching. But it's not changing how we travel anytime soon. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Retry.